everybody, this is Guro Francis, Big Boy Eskrimador, and I am here at the Anaheim Packing District. My first time here. When I lived in Anaheim, they didn't have this, so I'm glad that they do. Unfortunately, most of the places is closed, either because it's the middle of the week, I don't know, but most of them are closed. But I wasn't really super hungry. I just wanted to try some of their dessert, so I tried some of their homemade ice cream, and it's right here. So I got the Oreo cheesecake and Nutella crunch with some graham crackers and some whipped creams. I didn't want any nuts on my on my ice cream, but yeah, I'm gonna try it out right now. So, I mean, look at it's pretty creamy. I mean, I don't know if you can see the color. No. So most of that is whipped cream. So I don't think that's I don't think I can really judge it quite yet. Let me get rid of the whipped cream. Now I'm trying the Nutella crunch. Very creamy. I did put some hot fudge on it, but very creamy. It's not super sweet, and that's what I don't like it super sweet, because when it's too sweet, it loses its flavor, in my opinion. Unfortunately, the Oreo cheesecake is all the way at the bottom, so I won't be able to get to it till later. But so far, I'm liking this combination. So far, I'm liking this flavor, I guess. That's a fair assessment. I guess with all these things that's happening in this world, I didn't drive around, or I didn't walk around as much as I did before the pandemic, because I was lazy. I took everything for granted. But now that, over a year's worth of lockdown, and after my first shot last Friday, I'm deciding, you know what? Life's too short, man. You gotta see the world. You gotta see the world. So, okay, I'm getting to the Oreo cheesecake right now, which is right here. Oh, good. Again, not too super sweet. I like it. So yeah, homemade ice cream here in Anaheim Packing House. Such a child. Definitely recommend this place. But I'll probably, next time I come out here, I'll probably try some more of the other foods. But since I had a big lunch, I just wanted something a little bit more savory. So, but pretty good.